Hey food enthusiasts! I'm here to guide you through the delightful world of cooking up a scrumptious chicken curry. Let's unlock the secrets to mastering this classic dish in just minutes. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need some chicken. I prefer boneless, skinless thighs for that extra juiciness. Onions, garlic, fresh ginger, tomatoes, and of course, your curry powder. If you're feeling adventurous, throw in some turmeric and cumin for an extra kick. Now, on to the prep. Start by chopping your onions, garlic, and ginger. These aromatics will form the flavorful base of our curry. Heat up a pan with a splash of oil and toss these in, sautéing until they're golden and fragrant. Next up, add your chicken. Brown it slightly on all sides to lock in those flavors. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now, sprinkle in that curry powder, turmeric, and cumin. Stir everything well so the chicken is beautifully coated. Time for the tomatoes. Add chopped tomatoes or even a can of crushed tomatoes if you're short on time. Let this simmer and watch as the sauce thickens and the smells transport you straight to culinary heaven. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper. As this simmers, let me tell you a quick trick. If you like your curry creamy, swirl in some coconut milk or cream right about now. It'll add a velvety texture that's absolutely to die for. And there you have it. In just about 20 minutes, you've got a chicken curry that's bursting with flavor and sure to impress. Serve this up with some fluffy rice or naan, and you've got yourself a meal that's both comforting and exhilarating. Remember, cooking is all about personal touches, so feel free to tweak the spices according to your taste. The more you play with it, the more it becomes your unique creation. Thanks for tuning in and keep those taste buds adventurous. Until next time, keep it spicy and spectacular.